Airmen from the 144th Civil Engineer Squadron tested their use of force skills when they were challenged with a training scenario involving non-hostiles, hostiles, and live simunition firefights.
We got put in a 10-man team. Our objective was to surround a building. Our intel told us we had about 3 surgeons. Our first insurgent we came up against was he had a machete. We used non-lethal force and talked the insurgent down. And then we all advanced as a team to our objective. Personally, you know, it's
move away from the machete.
Us being fighters, we don't get to work with our M4 weapons, you know, and they gave us a chance to, you know, get hands-on and somewhat feel a little bit of the adrenaline that comes in, and be able to work as a team. And this will definitely carry over into us being firefighters. You know, we work as a team and we're a big family, so this has definitely brought us together as a whole.
We put the teams into squads and we give them an objective. Today we give them an objective where they're going to be moving out towards a makeshift base. And on the way there, they're going to encounter some hostility. Some of the guys are rigged with dummy explosives. Other guys have a M4 with simunition rounds, and they're going to come across their path, and you know they have to essentially negotiate the target. They have to take that target out, and they got to push forward until they get to their objective. Now, the practical part of this is everything that you learn in the classroom we're going to apply. So when you need to come across a situation where if a person is hostile or non-hostile, you're going to have to know if you're going to be able to engage them or not. If the person is non-hostile, you use the tools from the classroom portion to talk that person down, de-escalate the situation. If it's hostile, you're going to have to know what tools or resources you have available and be able to use those or communicate those to the rest of the team that's there with you. We're trying to save lives and we're trying to protect lives, so that's what the training encompasses.
For the 144th Public Affairs, this is Master Sergeant David Loeffler.
All right, in there!